No, I think that, it's really easy. When I see Wolfhand's book of clients, your work, it's really cool to get those sexy like lifestyle videos, for restaurants or for wineries and maybe brew houses and stuff. What about those like weird niche industries or maybe like a boring industry? Like, how do you create content or social media marketing for those types of businesses?
Yeah, so actually like the more traditional or boring customers or niche industries, they're actually easier to create content for because there's a really small group of people that are interested in it, but those people are completely obsessed with it. So if it's for instance, like a protein processor, maybe there's only 100 people out there that want to watch it, but those 100 people that are interested, they're going to watch every single piece of content you put out as long as you just target them.
Yeah, so it seems like the more niche industries, they have a more loyal following. So the engagement on those types of posts or content is going to be a lot higher than the things that everybody's seeing all the time on social media.
Yeah, exactly.
Some of the people that are probably watching this, maybe they're afraid to go all in on social media, or they're kind of on the fence. They haven't really made the decision to go in on social media marketing. What would you say to encourage someone to like push them over to be all in on social media marketing?
So if you're in business, it's basically all about ROI, right? So as a business owner, think about what you're spending money on now and maybe take some of the budget you're allocating for traditional forms of print advertising or other forms of marketing and put something small towards social media. Make sure you're doing it right, of course, because the second you get your first sale from social media, all of a sudden it's quantifiable, it's real. And then once you're there, you're not gonna wanna stop, you're hooked.
Now, do you think everybody should be on every platform out there, or what are the platforms people should be thinking about right now? Should they focus in on one, two, or should they just do everything?